welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get to know me tag. It's basically like, who the heck am I? So I'm just gonna like answer some questions about like who I am. Yeah, I don't know. I'm doing this get to know me. Okay. Wet my whistle. So the first question is my name. My name's Jess. Hello. Hi. How are you? What is my age? I am 22. I will be 23 next month. I'm getting old. What do I do, or what's my job? So I am actually a preschool teacher. I absolutely love it. I love my kids. I love my coworkers. I love where I work. They really just like make my day. They make my day. Little kids are awesome. They're so at that age where they love you and they just love hugs. They love, you know, learning. They love playing. And like, even though like some days I do have bad days, they always manage to make me feel so much better. They make me smile. They make me laugh. They teach me, you know, like playing with the sticks and the mud and the grass is still so much fun and never to grow up, which is so like cliche. I love being able to have a hand in helping them become a good little human now and in the future, and it's just a bonus when we help teach them how to write their name, how to spell their name, how to, you know, count their ABCs, the little stuff, but it's the foundations of learning. I love my kids. They make me so happy. I love my job. You know, I'm happy where I'm at right now. What was the last time that you cried? The last time that I cried was last night because I watched a video about dogs. No, it was like an old movie trailer. It was like A Dog's Purpose or something. I've never seen that movie because I couldn't do it personally. I am such a like whew. But the last like real time I cried was probably a couple weeks ago, just because of like life. The next question is the first thing that you notice about someone. The first thing that I noticed about someone is probably their smile or their eyes. I like smiles. I like eyes. I like looking at your eyes. Ooh, that sounded creepy. Or I notice a lot of like their vibe and like the type of vibe they give out. I'm very intuitive with that type of stuff, if that makes sense. But if they have like a bad vibe right off the bat, like, but if they have a good vibe, I'm all about it. Like, I try my best to give off a good vibe so that when people meet me, like, they feel that. Tea or coffee? I personally like tea. Oh God, no I don't. I personally don't like tea. I don't like the taste of tea. I've tried to get into different teas, like the sleep tea and green tea and all that type of stuff. I really don't like tea. I don't like the flavor. But I do like coffee. I like I like sugary, creamy coffee. My coffee order is a medium coconut caramel iced coffee 4 and 4. So basically just like flavoring and sugar and milk. By the way, if you see moving, that's my dog. He's taking a nap. Anyway. Oh, what a coincidence. Do you have pets, and if so, how many? I do. I have 2 dogs. One is Cagney. She's a almost 13 this month. Your old Great Bernese. So she's a Great Pyrenees and a Bernese Mountain Dog mix. And then he is 8. I think he'll be 9 at the end of the year. He's a Gordon Setter. My eye color. You want to see what's my eye color? My eye color is like a hazel. A lot of the time they do look brown, but they do have a lot of green in them. My favorite smell is vanilla. My DIY ring light is actually leaning on a vanilla candle. And my perfume that I wear is actually vanilla. Or I like orange. That's another candle you were leaning on. Orange, like the essential oils. I like orange face scrubs, orange body scrubs, orange like lotion. The next question is the longest you've been away from home. So I actually did the Disney College program, so I did live away from home for about 3 months, 3.5 months. Longest distance I've been away from home was Greece. I went 2 years ago. There's a video. I'll link it down below. Am I social or antisocial? I think both. I like being social when I'm around people that I'm comfortable with and I like being around. But if I'm not close to them, I'm very awkward. I'm very antisocial when I first meet you. I do like me time. I like spending time by myself. I also like spending time with my friends. Talents. I mean, like, that kind of sounds like Donald Duck, right? That's it. That's all my talents. I don't have a talent. The next question is, what are your hobbies? My hobbies are, I like taking pictures. I like editing pictures. I like drawing. I like writing. I do bullet journal. I'm not good at keeping up with it, but I do like bullet journaling. What else? I like sleeping. Is that a hobby? I like going to new places as well. I like taking like little adventures, little day trips to places that me or like whoever I'm with hasn't been before. Yeah. One of my new hobbies is like trying to do makeup, trying to like put myself together. I can't really do my makeup on the weekdays because I do go to work at like 7 in the morning and I don't have time to do this. Did I play any sports in high school? Yes, I was actually a cheerleader. I actually cheered for 14 years, so since I was like 8 years old. I really miss it a lot. I actually coached, I did competitive cheerleading, I did all of the above. The next question is cats or dogs? I prefer dogs just because I am allergic to cats and I kind of have to force myself not to like them because I get like sneezy, I get headaches, I get hives. I kind of have to like dogs better, and I have dogs. I've always had dogs. I like them better. What is your favorite color? My favorite color, if you couldn't tell in my last video, is yellow. I actually hated yellow a couple years ago. It was one of my least favorite colors, but for work we have to wear a lot of black. We can wear some pink and blue, but it's like certain pinks and blue. So in my mind, yellow was the opposite of black. It was like me like rebelling. So like I have like a water bottle, I have yellow shoes that I can wear to work, I have yellow like a yellow pin, yellow hair scrunchies, like all colorful stuff to try to, cause I hate wearing black. I think it's ridiculous. So, like, to teach little kids like. Anyways, the next question is what's my style? I feel like I don't really have a style. I kind of like dabble in a bunch of different styles. I like very like modern or colorful or girly or like trendy and like all that stuff. I kind of just like wear whatever I want, get whatever I want, all the type of stuff. A couple years ago I had an issue like within myself because I didn't know what my style was, and I thought that was like something that was bad per se, but after a while I kind of realized not having a style was my style. It gives me the freedom to, you know, like whatever I want, to wear whatever I want. I don't know. We'll see if that changes. The next question is drugstore or high-end? My wallet says drugstore. My like for makeup says high-end. Even though a lot of high-end products have a lot of drugstore dupes and they're way better than even like the high-end ones. I actually just got the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm a little late in the game, but I've wanted this for a really long time. I just don't wear makeup enough to the point where like I can like do eyeshadow and all that stuff, because in the morning, like I said, I don't have time and I don't want to wake up earlier than I have to. I am not a morning person. Morphe's kind of like in the middle of drugstore and high-end. I have drugstore foundation on, drugstore eyebrows. I use the NYX pencil, which is a Anastasia dupe. I have a drugstore mascara, drugstore bronzer, drugstore highlighter. My My lipstick is drugstore, it's Ulta. So, I think my answer would probably have to be drugstore. Why I started YouTube. I kind of talked about this in my other video, but I started YouTube because I wanted to. I've done YouTube style videos for years. I just never posted them. I'm just very into this type of stuff. I love YouTube, and I just thought I might as well just post my videos. I make them anyways. What am I doing? Like, they're literally just sitting in my iMovie, just like chilling. I also lost a bunch of them because my computer crashed, so that was really upsetting, and I wish I had them on YouTube so I didn't lose the content and all that fun stuff. I thought, why not? And it, like, 2019 New Year's resolution was to do more things that scared me, and this definitely scares the crap out of me, but I'm doing it anyways. What's my favorite drink? My favorite drink is water. I know that is like so basic and so not fun, but I really like water. I also like lemonade. Lemonade has been a new favorite of mine. I don't really like soda. Soda just kind of makes me feel blah. Yeah, I like basic water. I don't like flavored water either. I kind of just like water. Flavored seltzer water and like lemonade. I'm very basic, I know. My go-to hairstyle. My go-to hairstyle is just like whatever my hair turns out to be once I dry my hair. I really don't like spending a lot of time on my hair. I'll curl it every now and then, but during the weeks I don't have a lot of time to do anything fun to my hair. I like to sleep as late as possible. Sometimes I don't even dry my hair fully. I just leave it like this. I mean, sometimes I do fun stuff, but most of the time I don't. I don't know. How many siblings do you have? I have one. I have a brother. His name's Jake. He is 4 years younger than me. He's a good kid. I'm glad I have him as a brother. What is my go-to fast food order? My go-to fast food order would probably be McDonald's. I really just like the McChickens. I don't like anything fancy. Or I like Subway a lot. I just like, you know, a foot-long ham and cheese basic sandwich. Or just like, I like McFlurries. Those are really good. Sometimes I get those. Not really though. Because the machines are always broken. So yeah. But if they're not, I do like McFlurries. The next question is, do you use a PC or a Mac? I use a Mac. I think I've used a Mac like my entire life. What is your most memorable vacation memory? My most memorable vacation memory would have to be when I turned 21 in Greece. I went with my school. It was like, there was a lot of us. There was like 25 of kids from 18 to adults, like dads. Like they brought like their daughters. It was super cool. We actually all went out the night of my birthday, so the 14th into the 15th, and there was a guy on the trip. His name was Jesse, and that was his birthday too. So we went out to celebrate both of our birthdays. We went to this club. It was really fun. My favorite Spotify playlist. I just recently got into Spotify, like within the past 6 months, found a playlist that I really liked. It's called just like Good Vibes. Oh god, there we go. Good Vibes. It has I don't know. It just has like good vibed music. I like driving to it. I like getting ready to it. I just like listening to it all the time. It's my favorite. Next question. What social media are you addicted to? I am addicted to Instagram. I am always on Instagram. I like scrolling through like my explore feed. I like posting on Instagram. I like interacting on Instagram. I have like 5 Instagram accounts. I have my personal one. I have one for my photography. I have one for my dog. I have one for like my health journey. I have one for yellow because I love yellow. It's just like an all yellow feed that I just started the other day. I don't know, why not? I thought it was fun. What are my pet peeves? Ooh, my pet peeves are, I hate the sound of like people chewing. I like ASMR videos, but I don't like in person like that type of noise. Oh god. Ugh. Let's see, is there anything else? I think that's all the questions actually. So yeah. yeah, that's all the questions. I hope you got to know me better. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more of this if you want more of this content, you guys I already did the get to know me. Why would you want more? I will see you in my next video. Bye.